Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. My name is Bharatanath Rai. Now we are in a 21st video of Next.js series. We all know what is static site generation. With the help of static site generation, we can build static pages using getStatic props and paths. If you don't know what is getStatic props and paths, don't worry. Check my previous videos using the link in the top right corner of this video. The main disadvantage of using static pages is that data cannot be changed. The dynamic value cannot be used. If if you are desperate to use the dynamic values, you have to rebuild each time. It is not effective solution. So to overcome this situation, we are using the incremental static generation. With this, we can change the values dynamically and we can have the same benefit of static pages. So first, the source code should be built in the next app, and the developed static pages should be deployed in the server. After deploying the static pages in the server, developer will provide the certain condition. After this period of time, you have to generate or rebuild the static pages at the first request from the end user. So after the time has been done, when the first request came from the user, it will provide the or it will generate the static pages again and provide to the server. Then the server will return to the user. So next we are going to see the practical demonstration of this incremental static site generation. Here we have the getStatic props, which is normally used to generate the static pages. So first of all, I'm going to provide the console.log generate. For data, I'm using the third party, so I couldn't change the data from the source. So I'm showing the server side function with console, so you can identify the process is happening. Right. So to get the incremental static regeneration, we have to provide the revalidation, and I'm going to provide time as a 10 second. For every 10 second, it will check the for every 10 second it will check the new build. So first of all, I'm going to provide the build. For that, I'm going to scroll up this terminal. So you can see here we have successfully generated the build. Now I'm going to start the build files. So I'm going to access. So here I'm going to access the page 1. Here you can see at the build time, you can see this console for this getStatic props. So we have provided the condition to revalidate after 10 seconds. So if we refresh after 10 seconds, it will again show the generate and regenerate, because this function will be again run again. This getStatic props will run again and it will console, then get the data from the backend and it will rebuild the page. So this is how the rebuild has been done without affecting the whole page. Guys, now we are in a final part of this video. Please provide your thoughts in a comments about incremental static generation so you can evaluate yourself how deeply you have understood this. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the regular updates. Thank you.